What's good, YouTube? I'm Amir Best. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, today's Thursday. It's 2:03 right now. I'm about to go into the gym. Got the mask. About to go to the gym, and I'm about to go work out some legs and some abs, of course, and I'll do some cardio. Alright, guys, I'm back again with another voiceover. And as you see right now, going through my stretching routine. I've been having some IT band problems, you know, getting real stiff in the outer sweep of the quad, basically, and also my hamstrings. So I'm gonna focus a little more on those two things, quads and hamstrings, and my stretch. The foam roller works, tremendously, especially if you got the ones with little divots in it. I have both of them. As you see, the one that you saw before a little while ago, that had the divots in it. I have another one that's round. Okay, so I have both of them. I think that the one with the divots works a little better. Gets in, gets really in there. Don't ever forget to do your calf stretches. That's like one of my biggest fears, ever. It's like popping a freaking Achilles or something. Terrible. Could never. Always stretch. And of course, like you saw right there, I'm starting off the workout with this treadmill. And here are some squats. Just to warm up, 20 squats, warm up. Every warm up I ever do for all my body parts is gonna be at least, at the bare minimum, 20. Okay, I'm just trying to get my body firing, whatever part of it is. Right here, I'm not super wide, so I'm not doing sumos, just regular squat. And I'm using a bench right here just to mark how far to go down. Just because some people, I should say, go further down. They talking about like ass to ankles. I'm not doing ass to ankles. I'm not putting my tendons through all that stress. No point. Why? I'm trying to work out my muscles. Okay? So just the quad, keeping the tension just on the quads. So right here, I believe this is my second set. And again, just regular form. Everything, I'm trying to keep everything tight. Okay? So I'm not loose with it, and I'm not, like, when I go up, I'm not extending my knees, I'm not locking my knees out. I'm gonna go up a little bit, just maybe about 90% until I'm at the top. Then I'm going back down to that seated position on the pad. You guys saw the video, you guys saw the title, so I'm gonna talk about it. Muscle building foods for skinny guys. So there's two different types of skinny guys. They're either skinny fat or your skin and bones. Okay, for the both, you're gonna basically eat the same. Okay, the only difference is you're gonna have higher calories or higher fats or higher carbs. Okay, so let's go into some of the foods that you should eat for protein, for building muscles. So you're gonna want to eat lean meats. Okay. You're gonna eat like fish, chicken, lean beef, eggs. Okay, you're gonna want to stay to those sources. Those are high protein meals, low fat, no carbs. Okay, well, with the egg you're gonna get some carbs. Let's do egg whites. Okay, then it's just proteins. Okay, so the next we're gonna hit carbs. Okay, so we're gonna have healthy carb sources. You want to stay away from anything processed. So literally, if you go into the grocery store, anything in the middle, probably stay away from it, except if you go to like the bean and rice aisle. Okay, and that's gonna be what you're gonna use for your carbs. What I just said. You're gonna use beans, some rice, lentils. What else is a good carb source that you? Oh, also, what I'm forgetting, your greens, of course. So you're gonna have your greens. That's definitely okay. And believe me, vegetables are carbs. They're not protein and they're not fat. They're carbs. So that's gonna be for your carbs, and we're gonna talk about also for the last fats. So what are healthy fats? You're talking about seeds, nuts, avocado, olive oil, peanuts, walnuts, cashews, Brazilian nuts. There's a bazillion nuts that you got that you're gonna have healthy fats. Okay. If you don't know what healthy fats are, all the labels, at least in America and throughout other parts of the world, they're gonna have nutritional labels on. Right? Okay, just look at the label. They're gonna tell you how much fat's in it. Okay, how much carbs and how much protein, sodium, calories, all of that. Okay, so that is what you're gonna want to eat to build muscle. Again, high protein, high carbs, and a moderate fat to high fat. Okay, and you want to balance that. So you don't just go around eating a whole bunch of all that, oh, high protein, high carb, because you're just gonna, you're gonna dirty bulk. Okay, you want to do it measured. So you're gonna want to also, with eating the way I just told you, you're gonna want to also track your macros. Okay, so I hope that helped you. Alright guys, I'm back from the gym right now and I'm going to show you what I'm eating. And something simple, like it always is. It's going to be some egg whites, 10 egg whites, some salsa right here, and then they got some onions and some green peppers. Okay? The spices I used was some garlic and some pepper and some salt. Alright? Oh, there we go. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, actually hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.